Women desire a lot of things, but there are a few that they want more than others. Pay close attention because in this video, I'm revealing the top 6 things that women want from their ideal man. Are you that guy for her? Don't click away. Hello there, my name is Stephanie and this is my channel. We'll jump right in. Listen carefully. Women want these 6 things from their ideal man. After this video, you will probably be questioning if you're actually the dream guy for her or if she's just been stringing you along, or better yet, you've been in a situationship all by yourself. Number 1. Emotional availability. Now, there's this, I dare say, toxic story that men are supposed to be distant. Men are not supposed to show emotion. Men are not supposed to cry, especially some men, right? And I really believe that it's sad that men are held to such a high bar when emotion is such a strong thing that can literally open doors for you. When men are emotionally unavailable for the women in their lives, it creates a gap or puts a gap between them. And over time, she's going to look for that emotional support from other people outside your connection. And so if you're a guy out there who's been trained to be this tough, uncaring machine who won't cry or show any kind of emotion that makes you seem softer or anything like that, you might be doing yourself a harm. There are other guys who are using emotions to help them because they are there for their women. They share their feelings and they understand what their women are going through. And without going into specifics, I just want to say that you gain more by being emotionally available to women compared to being completely shut off. You don't care about anything, you don't stop for anybody, not even the woman in your life when she really needs you to be there to care for her, to show that you actually love her as you say you do. Do you think that showing too much of your feelings is a weakness? I disagree. I think that if you really feel a certain way about someone, let them know. That will only make their feelings for you stronger and will help your relationship grow. Oh, that rhymed. I should get into rap music. Or maybe not. So yes, definitely, women want men to be emotionally available. As a warning, I would say don't overdo it as well, where you're so emotional that it's a turnoff. You're more emotional than she is, crying at every movie, sobbing when she can't come and see you. No. I'm not trying to turn you into a weak person. I'm just saying have a nice balance. Being closed off completely will hurt your relationship instead of helping it. Number 2. Protection. By nature, men tend to be the protectors in the partnership, and it's a really good thing when a man gives that to his woman and she has no doubt at all that he's got her back. And women do want that protection. They want to feel protected when they're around you. They want to know that you've got their back and you're going to stand up for them if need be. And that's something that you can't ignore. If you're watching me right now and you know that you are a coward and you're not someone who would really face people if they were nasty with your woman or anything like that, then you may want to work on that. Because you see, the minute someone says something bad to her, either verbally, on social media, or in person, and you say nothing as her man, she begins to see you as less. Women want to know that you've got them and that no one can just talk to them badly because you are around and you are going to kick their butts from here to Mars if they ever tried it. Even if deep down you're not that kind of guy, pretend. Trust me, it will work out to your own benefit. You could even be that guy whose bark is louder than his bite, but as long as the bark is convincing enough and will keep all other dogs out of the yard, you're safe. What do you lose? All right? And I know this comes naturally to a lot of guys. If you really love a woman, protectiveness is something that is natural to you. Number 3. Provision. And I need to go there, absolutely. Men are all over the world expected to provide. Things are changing in a lot of homes, but if you ask me, not fast enough. And so a lot of older-fashioned women do still expect the man to be even sometimes the only provider of their family, while she takes care of the home, cooks and cleans, and does more old-style things linked with women. And even in families where there's a double income and woman brings money home, man brings money home, Mostly, the man usually would even take the larger part of the duty. It's almost an unsaid thing, and for a lot of men, it's also a pride thing, where he's the one in control of the big money tasks that keep a couple together. Women want to know that you can provide for her, and if you also find yourself with a really older-fashioned woman, you might end up doing nearly everything. I don't know how you feel about that, but that's just the way a lot of women have been taught to believe, men should do the provision and they do the nurturing. What do you think about these first 3 points? Share your views in the comments below. The most valuable insights are still coming, so make sure you watch the video to the very end. If you're finding this useful, please support the channel by subscribing, liking this video, and sharing it with a friend.
Now let's move on to number 4, leadership. Leadership now is such a strong thing. Based on your religious beliefs, you have a lot of religions saying men are the head of families. Even if you're not so religious, it's almost automatic for the man to be the one to lead and to be in a position of power. To be a man of importance, you need to learn how to lead. Now, leading doesn't necessarily mean you know your way all the time, but it just means that you have enough respect to guide and direct the partnership that you are in, to set the pace, and to put things pretty much under your care. Some of the best leaders are those who actually serve. And so you can also use the whole leadership by example method, where not only are you telling the woman in your life how you think the path of the relationship should move forward, but you're also showing her why you guys need to go in this direction because you are leading by example. Through your thoughts and actions, you're showing her why she needs to follow you on a certain path to get a particular outcome that will benefit both of you in the end. Leadership is such a powerful thing, and if you're not sure how to lead when you're in a relationship, there's so much information out there that can actually give you great tips on how to lead. Leaders are not only born, they can be made, and that's the positive thing. Number 5, integrity. Integrity is such a strong thing. Now, the dictionary says integrity is the quality of being honest and having strong right and wrong principles. Now, there's nothing like finding a partner who has integrity, who cares about integrity, who would always tell you things to your face and how they are. In a world where lying is high and people are looking for shortcuts, if you are the man who can show the woman in your life that you have integrity and you will not give up your integrity for anybody or anything, you will win over her trust. And along with her trust will come love and respect. You see, there are too many people in the world today who say one thing and do the other, who promise heaven and give people hell. And so if you turn out to be that man who is a man of your word is your promise. If you can't do something, you won't say you will just to make her happy. You would tell her exactly how it is, and she knows that she can always come to you for nothing but the truth. You will not only win her over daily, you will earn her respect every single time. And guess what? She'll also be going out there and telling people about the kind of man that you are. She will wear you like a badge of honor, and she will always speak good things about you. Integrity is something that you should never ignore as a human being if you want to be taken seriously by anyone. And so just keep that in mind as you talk to women, as you are with women, and even outside of women, as you go into your work world or just talk with the world around you. Integrity is something that's missing. And so if you're able to show it and show it a lot, that can put you ahead of most men. And finally, number 6, pronouncement. There are many women whose love language involves a strong need for acknowledgement and pronouncement. Alright? By this I mean she wants to know that she means so much to you. She wants to know that you have told every single person who's important in your life that she is the one for you. When you are dating a woman and you haven't made any effort to introduce her to the people that matter, to show the world that she is really truly the one for you, the one you want to give the rest of your life for, the one you want to build a family with, you have nothing solid. Women want to be acknowledged, as men do as well. And if you are a man who always gives her that respect and gives her that special spot in your life, you will always have her in your corner because you're not hiding her in some dark back room. When your friends are around, she sits at the table with you. It's almost as if you are literally standing at the top of a mountain and telling everybody, this is my woman, I'm so proud of her, and there's nobody else in the world right now that I'd rather be with. If you want to win a woman over, if you want to keep your woman, pronouncements are things that you must do as often as possible. Pronouncements that clearly put her on a pedestal where other people are concerned. She's your top priority. You think about her all the time, you take choices that affect both of you, and you respect her decisions as well. This is something that if you do, will put you in a very good place where your woman is concerned. I hope this video was helpful. What's your view on leadership, integrity, and public commitment in a relationship? Do you agree these are essential? Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments. If this was useful, you know what to do. Please smash the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on all notifications. Take care, bye for now.